Hey guys, it's Emily from Yodeck and I'm going to run through the setup of your digital signage players. First we'll go through the setup of a physical player. So you should have a Yodeck player, a micro HDMI to HDMI cable and a Raspberry Pi power adapter. Plug the micro HDMI into the left port, don't use the right port, and the other end into your monitor. Plug the power adapter into the player, then into the mains. Your screen should power up within about 10 seconds. Once you've turned the player and monitor on, you'll need to log in to your Yodeck account and add a new monitor. Choose Yodeck Player, give the monitor a name, then type in the registration code that appears on screen. You'll then need to connect to the internet, either by Ethernet or Wi-Fi. To connect via Ethernet, simply plug one end of the Ethernet cable into the player and the other into your router. Or via Wi-Fi, you will need to plug a keyboard into the player through the USB ports and press Ctrl, Alt and F12 at the same time. Wait for about 5 seconds, then type user and then type the password signage password. If this doesn't work, use the player's unique password, which can be found by logging into your account. In the Monitors tab, select the monitor that you're setting up and go to the Advanced Settings, then to Security and Remote Support Password. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect to the network and make sure you configure the exact same Wi-Fi settings in the portal as well. If you're using the web player, click Add Monitor and choose Web Player. Give the monitor a name, then click on the web player URL. Copy the registration code here to connect your smart monitor to your Yodeck account. Select the default content and schedules you want to display. Click Save, then push to Players. You should now be connected and ready to go. And watch our video on how to display content on your monitors for more information.